Hi, my name is Max and I'm going to show you how to handle identifications in the FossID web app. So here we have a scan that's just completed and we can see that we have 56 files scanned and 55 of them are pending identification, meaning that we have found some matches to them in our open source knowledge base containing over 2 petabytes of code. So all of the files have been loaded into the virtual file tree, which is on the left-hand side. And if we open that up and navigate to a file, we can go to this file here, for example. And when I click it, we can see that we have the uploaded file on the left-hand side. We have a little section here where we can apply identifications and add comments to the file, for example. If we want other users to inspect something. And then we have a match list which contains all of the matches towards the open source community. And in this case we only have one match and it's a full file match, which means that the entire file is matching. And if I click it, we will automatically load the file from the open source community. And we'll see it on the right hand side. And any match is highlighted in yellow. So we can see here that the match comes from the OFP component. The version that we found matching was 1.1 and the author is OpenFastPath. And if I want to use this as an identification, I can simply press this green arrow here, use identification. And you might have seen that we had already some identification filled in the identification tab, which is a file license that says that it's a BSD3 clause license file and a snippet of copyright text. And this has been taken by the auto identification options that we enabled when we were scanning. And if we look at this file over here, we can see an example where there's a snippet inside of the file. And if I click this match list, this match from the match list here, we can see it says partial, and that means that not the entire file is matching, just a tiny snippet. And in this case, it's a file with a lot of proprietary code with one single snippet of community code pasted inside of it. And then we can see that the likeliest match that's been found is the Platworks Frameworks base project. And if I press this button right here, it will automatically scroll down and find the match. So here you have the matching snippet. And again, if I want to use the identification from this file, I can simply press this button right here, use identification. So this is how you would go through the different files. And of course, you don't have to go through and click each and every file. You can add the identification on a folder level. So if you, for example, determine that all of the files inside of this folder comes from the OpenFastPath project, we can simply click the Apply Folder Identification button, and then we have 33 files that are inside of this folder, and we simply select the component we want, in this case the OFP 1.1, and then we press apply, and every single file inside of the folder will be marked as identified, being part of the OFP project. And that's in short how we handle identifications in the FossID web app. Thanks a lot.